Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super valuable because I am sharing 5 fresh opportunities including AI startup roles, product-based company, remote internships and back-end roles. Some of these require zero experience and some offer high learning plus real product exposure. So don't skip this video because हर role different skill set के लिए है. Maybe your perfect opportunity is waiting in this video. So coming to the first opportunity, this is from AIRA, an AI startup which builds smart assistant that manages WhatsApp groups, emails, calendars, and reminders. Basically, a productivity AI. This is an in-office role in Bangalore. Salary around 50,000 to 80,000 per month, and freshers can apply. You will own the front end of the entire web application, including sign-up flows, dashboards, chat interface, and animated character UI. Tech stack includes TypeScript, React, Next.js, GSAP, Framer Motion, and Drive animations. You will work directly with the founder. मतलब यहाँ learning speed काफ़ी high होने वाली है. If you enjoy building beautiful interfaces, animations, this is a strong opportunity. Coming to the second opportunity, this is a UX UI designer internship from Cloud Redux. This company is located in Pune. They are offering a full-time in-office role. This is a paid internship with possible full-time conversion based on performance. Your work will include designing wireframes, prototypes, interaction flows, and building simple and elegant user experiences. They are looking for creative designers who understand user centered design, visual design, prototyping tools, and product thinking. ये रोल उन लोगों के लिए है जो क्रिएटिव साइड स्ट्रांग रखते हैं. Recruitment process is also simple. First application, then HR screening, then interview, and the assignment will be given after that, and at the last onboarding. Third opportunity is from Find. This is backed by Reliance Retail, a major AI native unified commerce platform. You will work with technologies like Python, Node.js, Next.js, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and Tailwind CSS. You will help in building scalable retail systems used by enterprise clients. Responsibilities include developing web apps, building responsive UI, debugging full stack issues, and improving code quality. Requirement includes JavaScript fundamentals, Python knowledge, React or Node familiarity, and strong problem solving skills. यहाँ रियल प्रोडक्ट एक्सपोजर मिलेगा मतलब सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस नहीं, actual scalable systems पे काम. They also provide mentorship, learning sessions, and potential full-time growth opportunities. Fourth role is a fully remote software development internship with virtual internships. A global edtech startup. This is a 6-month full-time internship where you will work on systems used by thousands of students and companies worldwide. You can specialize in backend or frontend while learning both sides. Tech exposure includes Node.js, TypeScript, React, cloud infrastructure, and scalable system design. You will collaborate with a global engineering team and contribute to real product features. अगर तुम remote work environment ढूंढ रहे हो, then this is a strong portfolio building opportunity. Last opportunity is from Athena Health. This is a healthcare technology company. They are hiring for the software development AMTS professional. Now, what does AMTS means? So basically, it is a associate member of technical staff, which is an entry-level backend engineer role. You will design backend services using Node.js or Express.js, work with Redis caching, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, DynamoDB, and deploy services using AWS. By looking at the skill set they are looking for, you must be having a very good grip on databases and cloud services. You will build REST APIs, implement CI/CD, logging, monitoring, and work on scalable internal automation workflows. Required skills include JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, REST APIs, AWS Basics, Git, and good debugging ability. मतलब ये रोल प्रॉपर प्रोडक्शन लेवल बैकएंड इंजीनियरिंग का एक्सपोजर देता है. So these were the 5 fresh opportunities. Make sure to check all the links in the description box and apply early क्योंकि कंपटीशन काफ़ी फास्ट ग्रो हो रहा है. अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा तो मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और भी फ्रेश अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ लेकर आऊँगा. टिल देन कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप बिल्डिंग. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.